Today's route will be about 160 k's long and about 3 hours, and with breaks maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, depends. And how you can see here, 34 degrees, wow. And my GPS is ready. The weather is stunning, really nice, only a few clouds, maybe towards the evening it might thunderstorm, but let's see. I think I have to get petrol. Check here, only 2 lines. So very often you can find these little stores. They are not attended. You are supposed to just pick your goods like fruits and milk and cheese and eggs and stuff, and then you just pay the amount and they trust you. Normally it works. This, by the way, is a milk dispenser. Here you can put in your bottle and then the milk is dispensed according to the money that you put in there. And this is fresh milk directly from the cow. So you see you have here a fridge with dairy stuff like cheese, and here's even some sheep cheese and some sausages, yogurt, and a whole lot of farmer products, all very wholesome and healthy and good quality. This is the till, and you put your money in here according to the prices that's declared on the goods. This here, you can cut your own flowers. So you just go there, you pick your flower that you want, and then you can pay over there at the till. see even the remote streets, they are tarred, very good condition, so it's very nice to go for bike riding in Switzerland. Very often in the nice spots we have these picnic areas, and most of the time they also have a little barbecue spot and a table and a bench that you can sit on, and it's in the middle of the nature, so nice. So I think I have a break here and have a smoke. Tobacco. What else? You know what happened now? I heard thunder. That's not good. That's not good at all. Because actually when you look in this direction here, then you can see it's pretty black. Ah, this could be bad. I think I'll have to quickly pack up and go in the other direction. Or maybe I'll stick it out under the trees. Should I? I don't think so. Let's go. I don't mind action, but not now. Or should I risk it? Should I stay? I think this rain will... I mean, all around it's actually quite good. And... come on. I stay. Oh. How does the song go? Should I stay or should I go? Deedle deedle dee, or something like that. Oh, well, now I'm sitting, now I'm gonna have a smoke. It's quite amazing. Just 5 minutes ago it was looking like a thunderstorm would come, and now, ba-ba, blue skies, no more rain, no more danger, yeah! This was a very nice stopover, and even the temperature has come down a bit. It's now about 27 degrees, very comfortable, beautiful weather, perfect. This is when navigation really comes in handy. If a road is blocked or is prohibited to drive on, then it just recalculates the route. Off we go. They don't understand me. must be a really happy pig. Nice hairstyle. This route is so nice if you like curves. This is paradise. Left or right? I think I'll take right. Apple tree! These are all cherry trees, but the season is already over. Very carefully, you can see right on the other side there. That's the viewpoint where I usually take the sunset. That's where I'm going now next. Here is the Harley shop of Canton Aargau. Here's the Pan America. Yay! This is now the turn off to go to my sunset spot. Very punctual, just in time. This is my sunset spot. You. Ta-da! This must be the best viewpoint in the whole world. Sunsets like from postcards and just so peaceful and in the middle of nature, and it's really, really nice here. Let's go home. So that's it, folks. Thank you very much for coming with me to the 1000 Curve motorcycle tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will link the tour in the description. If you want to, you can download it and drive it yourself sometime. And if you liked it, then please give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, then 2 times thumbs down. Okay, and tschüss.